People were reading. Some people read quietly to themselves. But the children's room, the library, oh, it was story hour. George loved stories. He sat down with a group of children to listen. The librarian was reading a book about a bunny.
চুমু দিচ্ছে
Lisa,
এখন না, তুমি আবার গল্পের মাঝখানে চুমু যাও কেন? খুশি হয়ে দিয়েছি, একটাতেই সন্তুষ্ট থাকো। ও ঘুম আসতেছে।
The librarian was reading a book about a bunny. George liked bunnies.
মামুনি
I like bunnies too.
তাই?
I love bunnies too.
All right.
হুম,
Nodded and smiled. She agreed. When she finished reading the jungle story, the librarian reached to the dinosaur book. Where did it go? And where was George? Maybe George took the dinosaur book. George was all ready to take the dinosaur book home and read it with his friend when another book caught his eye. This book was about trucks. George wanted to take it home too.